Hi, Cal from Butterworth and Son. Today I'm just gonna show you a recipe for a matcha latte in case anyone is taking part in Veganuary, possibly interested in like trying out a vegan drink. A matcha latte is a really lovely vegan drink you can make yourself at home quite easily. I'm using some of our organic matcha powder here. Now, you want about 10 grams in the cup. So if you've got a little measuring scoop, use that, or just a teaspoon or something. I'm just gonna go ahead, pop it in the cup there. So yeah, about 10 grams, a couple of heaped teaspoons. What we're gonna do, just add a little bit of hot water to it, just enough to cover it, and then we'll give it a good whisk. Basically, you just want to make a paste out of it. If it looks like it's getting too thick, just add a bit more water in. So enough so you've just got a nice paste to work with, really. And then we're gonna use oat milk to go with it. Now, there's so much like oat milk out there, really, tons of brands and whatnot. It's kind of industry standard for Oatly to be used. Basically, as long as it's like a barista edition, that makes it quite a lot easier to steam. It's not quite as easy to steam as cow's milk, just because that has quite a lot of natural fat in it and protein, whereas the oat milk doesn't. So it doesn't sometimes come out as quite a nice texture. But just give it a little shake before you pour it in. And then we're just using a small 10-ounce milk jug here. And really, we're just going to do the same technique as if we were still steaming regular cow's milk. We've got another video on that if you want to go check it out. I'm just going to steam it as I regularly would. Again, tap out the bubbles, give it a good swirl. Just remove the whisk there. And that's all it is to get quite a nice matcha latte.